Isak it is then, to step up for Newcastle United. Job done for him.
But here's Isak, who puts the ball in, and that is 1-1. Wow.
Give her ice. Only the back three are back. Gordon. Give her ice. Deflected it in. Alexander Isak.
Some nerves here for the home side, and understandably so.
Yet to miss in Newcastle colours. That statistic remains. This to make it 2-3.
Oh, that's a lovely ball. Isak's in behind here. Branthwaite's with him. Isak cuts inside, stays on his feet, and Newcastle are in front.
Gordon winning the better of Udogi, sliding it through to Isak. It's Isak for Newcastle!